How to connect to any Wi-Fi without using password. All you have to do is subscribe, because when you subscribe it creates a link between the connection. Okay, so the first thing, you go to Chrome and search for this app, which you cannot find it in Play Store or anywhere. Search for Wi-Fi Master. Okay, this app you cannot find it in Play Store or anywhere. You only find it where I'm going to show you. Okay, search for Wi-Fi Master and then click on the second link which has Softnik app there, and then download this app. Okay, you have to download this app. Just gonna download it. Okay, it have started download and install it. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for it to download. Okay, so it has downloaded. I'm just gonna install it. And then click open. So I'm gonna want you to follow these steps carefully. Okay, here click allow, and then here you just have to click allow. So as you can see, this Wi-Fi is not connected. Okay, it requires a Wi-Fi password. Okay. But I'm going to connect it without using any Wi-Fi password. Okay, so just have to click on the signal. Click there, signal, and then it's gonna do like this. I don't know. Wait for it. Just give it some time, a few seconds, and then boom, it's gonna. Okay. There, yeah. After that, it will just connect automatically. As you can see, I'm connected without using any Wi-Fi password. Subscribe.